degree pressure angle have a gear ratio of 2, comma, the number of teeth on pinion is 20 and its speed is 250 rpm, full stop. The module is 12 mm, comma, if the addendum on each wheel is such that the path of approach and the path of recess on each side are half the maximum possible length on each side, find. The first one is addendum for pinion and gear wheel, and the second one is LAOC, length of arc of contact, and the third one is maximum velocity during approach and recess. Assume pinion to be the driver. Okay, the data given are the pressure angle, that is 20 degree, and have a gear ratio of 2, that is capital G is equal to Z1 by Z2. That means total, it is the ratio of total number of teeth on gear divided by total number of teeth on pinion, so that is equal to 2. Next, the number of teeth on pinion is 20. Pinion means that is Z2, correct? Z2 is equal to 20 and its speed is 250 rpm. That means this speed is related to the pinion, that is 250 rpm. Full stop. The module is 12 mm, means is 12 mm, m is equal to 12 mm. So he is asking for to find out addendum of the gear. To find out this addendum is giving some more information, that is if the addendum on each wheel such that the path of approach and the path of recess on each side are half the maximum possible length on each side. So by using this information, I need to find out the addendum, that is A. The question is, I need to find out one addendum or two addendum. I need to find out two addendum because he never mentioned it's a 2 equal spur gear set. Okay, so there are two different types of gears and having a different diameter, so that is why you need to find out two addendums. Okay, so first one, that is addendum. We need to find out addendum, correct? So addendum can be find by using this statement, that is he given that LPOA is equal to half of maximum LPOA, correct? Length of path of approach is equal to half of maximum length of path of approach, as well as length of path of recess is equal to half of maximum length of path of recess. By using this, I need to find out the value of addendum, correct? Okay, you can find out by using length of arc of contact or length of path of contact and length of path of approach or length of path of recess. In this case, he only given, you need to find out with the help of this length of path of approach and length of path of recess. Okay, so what is the formula for length of path of approach? LPOA is equal to square root of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. Okay, so this is equal to half of maximum length of path of approach. For that we are considering small r sin phi, right? Half into small r sin phi. So this radius is related to pinion and this radius is related to gear, right? So to find out the value of RA, because RA is equal to R plus A, if we find RA, it is easy to find out addendum. So that is why we need to find out first RA. Okay, to find out RA, we need the information regarding capital R, phi and small r, correct? So how do you find out this? With the help of module, because we have the value for module, that is m is equal to d by z2 and m is equal to capital D by z1, correct? Okay, we'll find out for pinion first. So for pinion, r is equal to m into z2 divided by 2. You just simplify, you'll get this formula. Module is 12 mm and number of teeth on pinion 20 divided by 2, you will get R is equal to value is 120 mm. 120 mm, sorry. Okay, so 12 into 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 120 mm. So likewise we can find out the value for this capital R is equal to m into Z1 divided by 2, but I don't know the value of Z1 to find out capital R. So what to do? He given gear ratio is equal to 2, correct? That means 2 is equal to Z1 by Z2. I know the value of Z2, that is 20. 2 into 20, you will get 40. So R is equal to 12, correct? 12 into Z1 is 40 divided by 2. You will get capital R is equal to 240 mm. So you have the values of small r and capital R, right? Phi is already given, that is 20 degree. No need to find out. So now we can